Hello pilots, welcome to Lancepilot's new inbox. In this video, I'm going to show you everything from start to finish that we have on our Lancepilot's inbox. So let's get straight into it. First, obviously from the side where we have the inbox option, if you click on this, it is going to take us to the inbox page. You can also see there is the count of unread messages, meaning it will show you how many unread messages you have in your inbox. So, for example, if you have one contact with 500 messages, it is going to show 5 here. All right. Then on our inbox page on the left side, you can see we have all of our contacts. If you scroll down, it is going to infinitely load all of the contacts. We have all and unread filters. So if you click on unread, it is going to show us all the unread contacts or the contacts that have unread messages. On all, it is going to show us all messages, all contacts. We have a search bar where you can search the contacts based on the number and name. And then we have the filters for the labels. So here, if you click, we can filter by label, but as we do not have any contact with that label, it is going to show us nothing here. So if we just do that, so there is no contact with that label, we can again click this to remove the label filtering. So let's add a label to this contact. To add a label, we're going to right click. From set label, we're going to add this label here. Now, this contact actually has this label. Now, if you filter by label, we're going to get this contact and all the other contacts that has this label. So let's disable it. And we also have dark mode and white mode toggling button here, which is, so now let's select this contact. And you can see we have no message for this contact yet. On the input section, it says you can only send template messages to this contact. And it makes sense because we do not have any conversation with this user whatsoever. That's where you cannot send custom messages. We have to send template messages. Now, previously we had template messages sending option from here, but now you can see there is a ping option on this button. So if you click that and then we have a template option. If you select this template option, we will see the latest 5 templates here. You can also search for whichever template you want to use by name and then click on the use template button, which template you want to use. So I'm going to use this template and it is going to give me the inputs for adding the dynamic value, so uploading the image, header image, giving the variable values names and stuff. We can also add attributes. Then if we click on this button, it will actually send the template message to the contact. We can close this tab like this and let's see what happens if a prospect sends a message. So here, the prospect sent a message and our input was activated. Now we can type any custom message we want because we are now able to respond to that user or the prospect that has sent us a message. So let's respond to him. I am doing great. What about you? Then we can just send a message. And the loading indicates that the message is being attempted to send to WhatsApp. Then you have the send delivered signs or icons here. And if the message is red, then it's going to become yellow. So let me just show you. Yep, so it became yellow, which indicates that the message was read by the prospect. Now we have a option for emoji here. We can add emojis like this. We have a whole lot of options here where we can send photos or videos. We can send documents. We can send template message. We can say CTA message. So CTA message is actually a call to action message where you can actually send a message with a header, with a body, a footer, and a button that actually takes the prospect on click to a URL that you actually set here. Then we have the location message option. So we have recently added the support for it. So you can actually send a location message. So let's just try sending a location message. We're going to say New York. And then we can just send the message like this. Now we have the message sent and it's also delivered. Okay, then we have the quick replies option from which we can actually select a quick reply. Now we do not have any quick replies, that's why it's not showing any suggestions and stuff. So let's real quick create a quick reply. I'm just going to go to the quick reply section, create a quick reply, name it welcome, and then we can say hi, select the name attribute, welcome. And then we can create a quick reply here, go back to our inbox and /welcome, If we search that, it is going to show us this suggestion for the quick reply. Then we can use it. When we actually use it, it is going to dump the content of the quick reply in our input, and then we can send a message. And notice how it actually replaced the variable or the attribute actually with the real value from the contact selected. So that is also a cool thing. Then we have some options here. We can search the messages. Like if we say hi, we're going to get the messages that match the keyword here. We have the pinned messages section, which is going to show you all the messages that are pinned. So if I just pin this message here, we can see our pinned messages here. We can see the details of our contact, and we can manage the contact groups, tags, and notes. We can add a note here like this. We can copy, we can edit, we can delete the note even, and that is going to delete the note. We have a new translation feature which is available for tier 4. So using this translation feature, you can translate messages of your prospect as well as the messages that you sent. So that's all the things that we have in our inbox. We're planning to add many more things. So hopefully we're going to be able to do that as soon as possible. And I think this video shows you all the things that is possible with our inbox, and it will really help you be more comfortable with our inbox. Thank you very much for watching this video.